not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make this clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I want.
You know, I was thinking the other day and I just thought to myself, it's so amazing how the universe will give you different signs for, how you may be feeling or something just happened. It just gives you like some type of confirmation that redirects your thoughts. The other day I was driving and I noticed a bumper sticker that said, I hope something good happens to you today. And then another bumper sticker said, Ash Ish. I thought that was corny, but it was cute. And it's something that made me smile. So I just feel like sometimes, you just need to take a step back and observe your surroundings, not just for safety reasons, but to just see what else is out there. Like, don't get too caught up in the problems or just your everyday life to the point where it will interfere with you just taking time for yourself and to explore. It doesn't always have to be something that comes with a cost. Like, there are many, many things that you can do that are free of charge, so you can save a little coin. But, just take the time to love on yourself a little more and to silence the noise. Just tune some things out, and pay close attention to the messages that are being sent to you. Good morning.
Good morning. You're a kid.
Huh?
And you're worse.
What is it?
You're and this is Elsa.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Anna.
Elsa and Anna?
Yes.
But what are they? Do you know what they are?
Yes.
What?
Then baby want to get started.
Huh?
He get started.
Get started?
Yes.
Pick it up. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Okay. The skates.
Yes.
You gonna try them on?
Mm-hmm. How to get out?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Oh. Shit. How do they get?
Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! Whoa!
You have to get the scissors.
I'm really careful. Okay? Okay, Mommy, good job. Whoa! Yes! Let's go.
She went bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
There you go. Let me see you skate.
Mommy, I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
All right, let me see you skate. Come on.
Cheese.
Cheese. Come here. Let me see you skate.
Okay.
Oh, careful. I just finished getting ready. I put my hair in a bun and I did my little, my little baby hairs. So we're about to get ready to take the little one skating. I have to put my scarf on, but first I'm gonna get me a little bite to eat. And she upset about that because, kids, when they know that they're about to have some fun, they just want to get straight to it. But no, we about to eat. Good morning. Cheers. I'm thinking I may put this in the freezer, or I don't know, the freezer or the refrigerator. The freezer. And then I'm being rushed. And I have to put my clothes on. I already know what I'm wearing. I already know what she's wearing. So that's the beauty of it. It looks like it's gonna be good weather, thankfully, because we've been getting some nasty, nasty weather. So I have me a little Celsius, and actually am about to put this in the freezer because I feel like it's gonna hit later on when it has that chill to it, and it'll be given, hopefully. But you stuck. Garlic bread and the spaghetti that I made the other day. And of course we need some munchies for the road, so I just have her this little juice to go, go squeeze, some cookies. Excuse me? Okay, cheers.
Here's Molly.
Yeah, let's do cheers again. Cheers. So I found this cute little skirt at TJ Maxx, and it's actually like a skirt because it has like the little biker shorts under it. So I'm gonna put this on with this little top.
Mommy.
And this hoodie, I'm just gonna drape it like around my shoulders. My socks, my crew socks, and my hawkers.
Hi, I got my knee
And let's see what you're wearing, Phoenix.
Oh.
Phoenix. So, yeah. And put my little socks on. What's wrong? We're about to go bye-bye. And I found this one too.
Oh, this is candy. See, it's candy inside.
No, it's no candy in there.
Oh, look, see?
Huh?
Candy is probably for my music.
Hmm?
For my music.
So this is the outfit. And I love that it has like little pockets. So let me get my perfume. So I have to put on my lippy in the car, but I'm gonna put on this Tree Hut Vanilla Body Butter. This is pretty good, I like it. And for the fragrance, my Rado Gypsy Water. And baby, it's almost gone. That's how much I use it. I also wanted to show you guys what I got from Amazon real quick. So this is just some facial cloths. And these are like some transparency sticky notes. So this is to write my little notes in my Bible, because I want to get like in there, like
in there, if you know what I mean. And these are some Bible tags in boho colors.
Boho colors?
Boho colors. Your juices. You still have some other no. This is like a bronze.
No.
I thought this was gold. Alright, let's put it in the trash. But, honey, can you put that in the trash? Okay, we aren't going skating. We don't have to go skating. As simple as that. Let's put that in the trash. Let's put it in the trash. Thank you. Okay. Good job. So this is like the little what is it called? What is it called? You put spices and powder in here, powdered sugar, and it makes it easier to just. But the thing is, I thought that this was like a champagne gold. It's more of like a brass. It's not a silver. It's called She Reads Truth Bible, Christian Standard Bible. And she is thick. So this is so cute. It's like this nudie brown color. I can't wait. It gets me excited.
Yeah, I can't wait. Yeah. Here's a sticker, and I like this sticker.
Put that out. I just wanted to show you guys so that we can get out. It's 1:10 right now. Eric, where can I have that? Thank you.
Hey, look. Hey, that's us. That's us.
See you guys later. Bye. I see you.
I'll buy one. 10 cents.
So we are back home and I am so sleepy. I'm about to get me a nice little shower and I'm going to bed. I took my bun out, so my hair is like all over the place right now. You guys tomorrow. Not sure what tomorrow holds, but whatever it brings, we will be blessed and grateful for seeing another day. Amen. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. So I am about to make some breakfast and get started with the day. We probably just go out for a nice little walk or something because it's really nice outside. So
It's cold. So I just finished getting ready. I'm wearing these pants from Zara. And this top is also from Zara. Earrings, Shein, Apple Watch. This necklace from Marshalls. Just have my hair in a little bun. It's simple, sweet and simple.
Daddy has some onion rings.
So excited. Hey, I like the fire.
You see the fire, Bear?